Hey guys, Talia and I are headed out for a small grocery shopping trip. Talia is making dinner tomorrow. Is that tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow for a little get together that we're having. Autumn likes to make dinner a lot. You've seen her make dinner on my videos before, and her favorite thing to make is macaroni and cheese. And Talia does not like macaroni and cheese. So last time Autumn made dinner and made macaroni and cheese, Talia and I discussed how she should make some dinner and make something that she likes. So I asked her, what kind of food would you make if you were going to make dinner? And what did you say?
I said I wanted to make sandwiches.
Sandwiches. She just wants cold cuts and cheese and pickles. Pickles are her favorite. And so we're going to get all kinds of stuff to make cold cut sandwiches. So it's going to be pretty simple. It's not really cooking. It's more just putting together food.
And
yeah, go ahead.
I do like some macaroni and cheese. I just don't like really stringy mac and cheese.
You like the box mac and cheese.
Yeah, like Annie's.
Yeah, not the homemade stuff that Autumn makes. Anyways, so we are headed to Costco. The get-together we're having, there are a few people there that eat keto. And so at Costco, they had those Parmesan cheese wraps that are kind of like little tortillas made out of just cheese. And so I was thinking if we can find those, that would be nice to have an alternative for people that aren't going to eat the bread. And then if we can't find those, we'll just do lettuce leaves. So I think we're going to have to go to Costco. Well, we might be able to get everything we need at Costco, but we'll see if we need to stop somewhere else afterwards, like Winco or something. You got your list?
Yeah.
All right. Good work. They have this pack over here that has...
I like sharp cheddar, but...
Yeah, but this has Colby Jack and Monterey Jack, if we just got that one. But you had Monterey Jack on your list.
I know, but I wrote cheddar cheese. That's good.
Okay.
But I wrote other cheeses that other people might like.
All right, well, let's just pick one package.
What about sharp cheddar?
You just want to do sharp cheddar?
Yeah.
Okay,
They're good.
let's do it.
And they're in slices already.
Yep, that makes it easy.
So I was holding this out like a tray.
Well, maybe we'll do Swiss too. Let's get a pack of Swiss. We'll eat it. Do you like Swiss cheese?
No.
No. So good. Oh, look, you can get these burger blue slices. It's like slices of blue cheese to put on your burger. That looks good.
I don't like blue cheese.
Well, I do. Look, they have your pickles. We heard tell that these were here, but we hadn't seen them yet. These are like $9.99 for half the size of bottle at New Seasons.
Yeah.
Let's get 2 of them.
Yeah.
There they are, and look, they're on sale too. Let's do those. Let's see, there's how many in here? Oh, there's 10. We'll go ahead and get 2 of those just so we're stocked up.
Well, they can extra so they can make your own. Does that make your own?
Yeah, it's going to be a make your own.
Okay.
That'll be nice for everybody. Do you want herb roasted turkey breast?
I just want a good one.
Oh. Does that one look good to you?
I think that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Don't you want ham too?
Oh, yeah. I thought you said, do you want 2 of
No,
them?
I said, does that look good to you? It's hard to hear.
Like turkey breast?
No, you said we already got turkey breast. You want a ham?
Ham.
We could just get this Black Forest ham. There we go. We can't come to Costco without getting bananas. We were almost out. Actually, we were out. Levi ate the last one this morning. I like these artisan romaine hearts. I wish they were organic. No, I wish they were organic, but oh well. We'll get those this time. I know. All right, so buns. They have these pub buns.
Oh, those are big.
Yeah.
They're like for burgers. What
Well,
are
they're
those
for
like long,
sandwich, too.
skinny buns?
Long skinny ones. Look, they have keto hamburger buns. What in the world are those made out of? That's craziness. Wheat starch, wheat gluten. I don't think I want to eat that. Oh, there's these sandwich rolls. Is that what you wanted?
That looks good.
That's what you want. All
Those
right.
are the shape that I was looking for. Oh, that's it. I have leftovers.
Might have leftovers.
Guess that's why it's something like shared size. Party size.
Yeah. There you go. You got it.
89.
go.
99.
Oh, you want to come in, Poe? All right. Talia's making the stuff for dinner, the sandwich stuff.
Oh, I see it.
Remember?
My study?
Yeah, for Bible study.
Oh.
All right, so I was thinking 3 different container or bowls to put the food in. Maybe one, we can do half turkey, half ham, and then the other bowl can be the cheese, and then the other bowl can be the veggies. Oh, pickles.
Pickles! Oh, it's a bacon.
But yeah, we got to cook that, so we'll wait and do that in a minute. I'll probably do that for you. The way I like to do cheese for sandwiches is to take the square and cut it in half so it's 2 triangles. I think that'll work on the long buns that we have. So I think the first thing you're going to need to do is like separate the cheese slices and get the paper out, and then we can slice the cheese into half. So the meat, I think we'll maybe slice each big thing in half so the pieces aren't quite as big. And then you can decide how you want to arrange them into the thing. If you want to fold them.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Drop it into the dairy dish.
Most important thing is
Bacon.
Bacon. We're gonna get some bacon cooked, probably break the pieces in half, and then everything will be ready to go. All right, so besides the bacon, this is everything else that we have all ready to go. You want to say what everything is?
Okay. Fresh lettuce, sliced tomato, sliced cheese.
We got sharp cheese and Swiss cheese.
Sharp Swiss cheese wraps.
Yeah, these are low-carb cheese wraps for people that don't want to do the bread.
Some ham and turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Meat flour. Some sandwich rolls. Mustard and mayonnaise. Some pickles. And delicious country-style barbecue chips.
All right, this is going to be a good meal. And someone else is bringing a salad and dessert. So we're going to have a big feast.
Yes.
Good job, Tal.
Did it.
Did you have fun making a meal for everybody?
Yes.
Yeah? You think you'll do it again?
Yes.
Everybody comment down below with what Talia should make next time.
Ooh.
You want a challenge? Maybe they should challenge you to make something.
Okay.
They'll probably challenge you to make something in the Instant Pot.
Ooh,
And you say smash, like, and subscribe.
Smash, like, and subscribe.
Slap like now.
Slap like now.
And now it's time to spin the wheel of mythicality.